the revenue manager can focus on its job properly. Okay, so that is the responsibility of revenue manager. Now we are going to discuss about revenue myths. What are the revenue myths? Before we understand the revenue manager, let us talk about a couple of myths that are around in the revenue management. So the first myth that we normally have is revenue management means we are going to increase the prices. We are going to increase the ADR. That is not the real objective of revenue manager. Revenue management is usually involved with maximizing the profitability. So we're gonna be learning what is the meaning of profitability from revenue manager perspective. Another myth is that revenue manager is usually involved for selling the hotel 100%. That is not necessarily meaning that we are maximizing the hotel's revenue. You can sell the 100% of occupancy to a certain travel agent which is not paying you the highest room rate. So the revenue manager's job is to manage the demand, manage the supply, manage the inventory to maximize the revenue, not just only increasing the ADR or increasing the occupancy level of the hotel. Another revenue management myth normally is prevalent in the market is we don't have enough occupancy, there is not enough business, so we cannot do the revenue management, which is also not very correct. Revenue management can still be done in whenever there is no occupancy, because the task of revenue manager is not only to maximize revenue, it's also to identify the right person, right customer, it's also identify at what right price for the property, and also making sure that we are maximizing our revenue opportunities, not only room but also the F&B and events and spa business as well. So we are now focusing mostly on total revenue management, which we gonna learn in more in the near future slides. Okay. So we have discussed in the previous videos that revenue management job is to maximize the profitability, so which we understand now. So but what is the meaning of profit? What does profit means for you? Profit in accounting terms means revenue minus cost. That becomes a profit. That's fairly simple definition of accounting, but that is not the definition, or that is not the concept that revenue management is going after. As per the successful businesses definition defined by the management gurus, the profitability means the exchange of goods and services at mutual benefit between buyer and between the two parties. So there is no concept of buyer, there is no concept of seller, there is no concept of cost. It means that the exchange is happening at mutual benefit. In the past, when we used to exchange our products without the money, we used to exchange based on our need. So if you continue to sell only at the hotel's profit, which may not be without looking at customers' profit or customers' value, the business may not survive a very long period of time. So revenue management is not only looking at the business profit, it also looking at the customer's value, which is more important for successfully continuing the business the way it is doing. With the moment we fall through the mantra of customer value, we will lose our business for eternity. So in rational business decisions, both the parties has to make a profit. So what is the profit for guest? The profit for the guest means the value that it is getting by staying in the room and the price that he is paying. So he should be getting a more value than the price he paid, because price is the cost for customer. The value that hotel is providing, safety, security, cleanliness, convenience, comfort, or the other amenities that the hotel has to provide, that is his profit, that is his gain. So the gain has to be more than what is the cost for customer. Similarly, for the hotel, the cost of providing these services, the value that is the guest is getting, should be more than should be less than the cost, less than the value it is receiving, so that hotels can make a profit. So hotels will make profit when they are getting the price more than what they supposed to, more than what they are paying, or what are their opportunity costs from getting another guest. So hotel, if they have a two-party choice to sell one person at $100, another person at $120, So hotel should be able to take the person who want to pay $120 because hotel will maximize its profit. But the person who want to pay 120, we should provide them a higher value so that they are also at profit. So it's a mutual profit between the guest and the hotel. That's where the goal of revenue management lies. Let's understand the value system. So the understanding the value in olden days, when we used to exchange any products and services without, when there was no concept of money, no concept of dollar or INR or any other currency, people used to exchange for goods. If I have butter, you have chicken, so if I need chicken and you need butter, we will exchange. What if I don't need a chicken? I will not make any exchange for you. So no matter how many chickens you want to give me for a piece of butter, if I'm vegetarian, I don't need it. So means the value in the past, also even now, still based on the buyer's desire to exchange. If the buyer does not desire to exchange, one party does not desire to exchange the goods and services, there is no value for the other buyer. So the value depends on the perspective of exchanging parties, party A and party B. In hotel's case, if the buyer does not need to stay in a very clean hotel, no matter what, if the buyer want to stay in a very clean hotel, no matter what the other hotels which are not so clean are very cheap, they will not stay there because his value proposition is cleaning. If the buyer does not care about the cleaning, the security or the location, he will go for the cheapest wherever he can get. So the value perception for each customer is different. It depends on their desire, their value proposition, what they consider as valuable. As an example of our chicken, if I'm vegetarian, I don't need chicken. Whatever price it is, even if it's come for free, I will not take it because there is no value for me, right? So similarly, for hotel customers, the revenue manager's job is to identify what is the value that buyers is looking for, so that we can provide that value at the price that he is willing to pay. So in the value proposition, we need to understand also not only the value proposition from the customer perspective, what he want to pay as well, his willingness to pay. He may find the value in the product, but he may not be willing to pay for it. So the value proposition is to find the right balance at what price he is willing to pay the services provided by the hotel. Now we have been discussing about, we are missing on one point here, that all the owners, when you are investing into the hotel, you need return on investment. But how we measure return on investment? Return on investment, usually by accounting profit, again accounting definition is return on the whatever profit that we are making at the investment that the hotel is doing. The profit, as per revenue management and as per revenue management definition, is again at which price the mutual exchange is happening between the hotel and also the customer. So the ROI, return on investment, will means that we need to not follow the accounting definition, means accounting profit divided by the return on investment. We need to maximize the profit of both the hotel and also the customer. If we follow the accounting, then we are going into the cost management, increasing the prices or compromising on customer quality, which will lead to an unprofitable situation for customers, wherever there is a conflict between the customer and the hotel, the customer can choose another hotel because there are other service providers. Then following ROI on accounting profit will not lead to a successful or continuous business for the hotel. The hotel need to focus on guest profitability and the hotel's profitability, and the hotel profitability as well is mutual profit. If the hotel is not following this formula, they are going to